So it's 5 in the morning. My hair is a complete mess. I need to stop self-obsessing. We're doing our first long ride around 400 kilometers. Isn't technically long because we do breakfast rides which are like 200 kilometers. So this isn't really long, but it's going to be fun because we are like-minded people all on the same ride, I guess. It's going to be cold, I'm thinking, because the last ride I did on the same stretch was like 16 degrees. So, don't know what I expect. It's 5:15. I need to leave by 5:30. So yeah, it's going to be a fun ride, and I'm going to be, I wouldn't say vlogging, maybe I would call it vlogging. I don't want to be the, just be too cliche. But I'm going to try and document whatever I can. I'll call it document. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So our first ride has officially begun. Forgot to put the mic on earlier. I hope it's capturing. But yeah, we're doing 400 kilometers towards Maharashtra. I did start this video capture, video vlog or documentary or whatever you want to call it, but I started it quite some time back, but audio did not kick in. My mics did not kick in from my helmet. Anyway, I'm meeting the guys at the traffic signal, which is our usual meetup point. And yeah, let's see how things go. All these uncles going for early morning walk. I'm a bit skeptical about this bag here. I'm going to move it to Sherman's top box once he comes, but I'll have to be a bit careful that it doesn't fall. There are only clothes and there's a deodorant in the bag, but just need to be a bit careful. I'm riding a bit slowly. It's only 5:45. I need to meet these guys at 6 o'clock, so I have 15 minutes. And then we'll probably we'll probably have to spend another more 15 minutes to configure helmet radios, post which we can then start. And then I think our first stop will be for breakfast at around 7 maybe, 7:30. Depends. So it depends how long we take to configure Senna, because Senna sometimes acts really funny. So we'd have to see how it all pans out. But it's not too cold actually. The last time I drove to Maharashtra with my dad, it was freezing. Like it was literally like 16 degrees. So today isn't that bad. It's nice. I don't know whether it's because I have my suit on or if it's just really not too cold. But yeah, and I hope I hit the right button to turn on the mic. I just hope, because I've done this multiple times and it's so pissing off. And I switched it off normally to save battery, but yeah, let's see. I'll have to probably do a cross check at breakfast and see. Hopefully it's recording everything. I don't know how other guys do it. Other vloggers and guys who document videos and stuff like that, I don't know how they do it. It's really challenging. Like, to manage so many different things. It's not easy. For you guys watching it on screen, trust me, it looks really easy, but it's not. It's not. Okay, traffic signal. And I think a camera is a good thing to have, because it keeps you alert. You're talking to something, you don't know who you're talking to, and yeah, it's fun. So let's see how things pan out. long does this red signal take, man? Unbelievable. A lot of people are just saying, yeah, go, go. Idiots. So this is not job. Turn when there's a red signal. I need to warm up my tires before I start going faster. Not that I go really fast, but talking like I'm on one of those tracks. Here they are. Where's the third fellow? Good morning. I forgot the most important thing. My slippers. My slippers. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Who's coming?
I connected both of them. I'll connect you.
Who's coming?
Oh, yeah, this one. The dynamite is coming. These fellows, you can't even hear them. Huh?
I swear, dude. I'm telling you, electric cars are fucking. This is the road.
So we just got off the highway and we are riding through these inside roads. Yeah, actually a shortcut. Yeah.
Then I'll have to carry fuel next time. Imagine this between one place.
And
There is no. For some reason you have become very loud now.
oh, am I?
Yeah, I don't know how. When we started off the journey, we couldn't hear you. Now, I think we all have to just learn to talk softly.
Yeah.
Talk softly. First me, not
No.
you.
What? Yeah, that's a nice bump. Gradual bump. Yeah. It's a nice road though. Scenic. Hey, cow coming, cow coming, cow coming.